themselves. Hi. Say hi. I should say hi.
I love homeless. I love homeless. Stabilization.
Guys, today's Saturday. Favorite day of the week. Asher has a birthday party. We're gonna go to the flea market because we went last week when I and Blake were on a date. And there's this mushroom house that this lady 3D prints. She didn't have it in purple, and she made one for me. And she says I can come pick it up today. We're gonna pick it up and we get back from the party and I'm gonna arrange that wall so it's just like all the stuff that I want to be there, nothing else. I want Asher to make friends. Sometimes I just want him to have friends. Like I don't necessarily want to be friends with the bombs. Some of them are really weird, but this one's nice. We play soccer together. She seems really nice, so we're gonna go see how the birthday is. It's also really hot outside. What's the weather?
Bonus 60.
60?
66.
66?
Yeah.
It's not even hot today. Well, it's usually like blistering hot, so this is good. I wasn't gonna do my makeup because I thought it was gonna be hot. I don't know if I want to still do my makeup though. Anytime I tell someone I put on sunscreen, they're like, oh, you don't want a tan? I want to start a toy war with my sister-in-law and send... I want to send Asher's cousin a baby horn and some drum sets so they can get some sleepless nights. But it's just funny when like people who are childless buy toys like that for their friends' kids. Like, oh my god, why would you do this to me? Why? My little makeup done. I just like filled in my eyebrows and concealer, blush that you can barely see. But we're on our way to the flea market or farmer's market like they call it here. And then we're gonna go to Alta, come back home, and then go to the birthday because the birthday's not till 2. And I'm not going to the birthday early. I want to get there like 3-ish. Hi! Look, Asher, yes, look, that's our video here.
Putting a present like Dicey makes it.
Some tacos, strawberry lemonade. Asher's already like drinking the whole thing. But yeah. God damn. If this was Sephora, this bag would be big and bulky.
Unneedlessly big.
Literally.
You would have that same amount of items and they would give you the big bag.
Asher also got this. Yep. He's taking his toy back. It is 1:54. We're on our way to the birthday party. We don't have time to go home and then go to the party. So we're gonna go straight to the party. Or we might actually go home because we have mushrooms in the bag. I bought oyster mushrooms from a guy here. I have not found oyster mushrooms in America. My mom is the only one I've seen that with. Yeah, my mom grows mushrooms. So I bought it real quick. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna whip up some meal, probably pepper soup, mushroom pepper soup. But I just hope it survives the day. Yeah, that's the first task. It's hot. Yeah, it shocked the shit out of you. Asher.
Bye-bye.
You ready to sing?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh.
I miss it.
We're back home. I'm so happy to be home. I love being at home, if you haven't noticed. Next weekend, we're probably gonna go to KC. I'm 90% sure at the moment.
That 10% is heavy though.
Yeah, very heavy. But we have a 4-day, so we'll probably leave for KC Thursday after work. So we do all the shopping we want to do on Friday at the African store, and then be back either that Friday or Saturday. So yes, we're gonna stay in the hotel. But if you guys have noticed from my past videos, I love makeup, but I don't like it being on my face longer than it should be. For some, that might be a waste. For me, it has served its purpose. Now, it's time for it to come off. I eventually got a pigmented blush today that I've been looking for a while. I only put concealer and blush. After I do this, I'm gonna bring out Asher's pool and put it in the backyard and fill it up with water. Put him in his swim trunk and let him play outside. Just let him get it all out while I make food, because I'm gonna make stew. What? That is absolutely crazy, guys. Alright, I'm gonna go cook, get Asher's thing together, and it was a fun day. He played a lot, and I'm probably gonna talk to my mom. Oh, yeah. Is it making a sound?
No, the light's on the inside.
Look. See?
The light changes colors.
And there's a remote. Look at how big. It's freaking, I love it. Hi guys, so today's vlog will be starting from now because I have free will. I just got back from work, changed. We have soccer practice today at 6:30. It's currently 4:59. I picked up my kid, came back home. You know the drill. we're gonna go get Panda because he's been craving Panda for like 2 years now. Yeah. So we're gonna get Panda, chill there for a little bit. I want to try and make it to the field by 6 so that those terrorists cannot claim what they don't even own. Yes, I call the main girls terrorists.
We'll kill them.
So,
Terrorist killers.
So I'm gonna get there by 6 so I can assert dominance and claim a goal post for my team. So yeah, that's what we're working with. Hi guys! Yes, I'm back again today with my unfinished vlog yesterday. We came back home yesterday and I was tired. Yeah, there's no excuse. I was just tired. So today is the game. Like, we're actually gonna play, I think it's Purple Panthers today. But before that, we're gonna go to Manhattan and pick up my 5K packet. I have a 5K on Saturday morning at like 7 a.m. With some of the soccer moms, Zoe and Narisa, I think. Yeah, Zoe and Narisa. So we're gonna go pick that up because my game today is not till 7, and it's right now 5 minutes to 5, so 4:55. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Get that, and then probably it'll take us like an hour to do all of that. By the time we're getting back, it'd be 6, and I have to be back on base at like 6:30 because we have to be at 6:30, 30 minutes before, so we can actually like what they call it, so we can warm up. Guys, we're here. We are here.
Come on now.
I shall work. Online, see if they have it. Show them the goods. Show them the
What
goods.
number you get, bro?
1107. Oh my gosh. Asha, where are you going?